What's crawling in the shadows is lurking in my mind. Cold-blooded deals just to buy a little time. There's a man on every corner, but no love in the streets. The sky's falling down and I'm just trying to find my feet. Little line boy with a story to tell.
A little shrimp and crawfish stew.
Hell yeah, bro. That'll do.
By the fire.
Hutch, what you got? Joe, what you got, girl?
Eating a little dinner. See y'all in the mañana. She does not want to let us go. She does this every time.
We made it. It's gonna be a chilly ride, but a good day. A little dog. So cute.
Give you a place to be. Now listen to him now. Oh yeah. May not have much money, no, but I'm sweet and low, 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 sweet and low. Pick your mama up from work. That's right. And take your son to school. Keep a smile on your face. What you gonna do? Doing what a real man do. Oh yeah. I'm your sweet and low. Can't buy.
Feel it? The nibbies?
Nothing. Just the waves. Catfish! All this work. I took all the way out here and I catch a catfish.
Can't escape them.
Not even a good one. But it's a fish. Alright guys, we're out here. Trying to catch some fish. Trout. Or sheephead. Or flounder. Honestly,
Really?
a fish.
go across the lake. Yeah, that's a big old one. What the fuck?
Catfish. It might have taken us all day, but we're getting some fish. Catfish find us. You got something? Oh, what you got?
That's not a catfish.
It's not a catfish?
No.
Oh, it is a catfish. It like, oh, it got little pokey little hands.
Huh?
It kind of was like swimming away like not a catfish. Hey, we got a fish. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do this side. Hey-oh.
That is a big ass fish.
Thank God we came back over here. The size of that bad boy. These things always freak me out with the little teeth.
Big old sheep head.
Hell yeah.
Couple catfish. That's about all we can do today. That's a wrap.
That's it, guys. Let's see what we got. Come on up. What's in here? You ready? You want to see? What is that? What is that? Okay, guys. So we're trying a beer batter for our yummy fillets. We got them seasoned up and cut up. And I'm going to make our little beer batter real fast. Be able to see.
And what's that? You just put in beer?
This is beer, yeah. Egg, beer.
I beat it.
We
Light.
got flour, cornstarch, paprika, a little bit of baking powder.
That's right.
Come on in, baby.
Like a tempura.
It's nice and fluffy. Say my birthday is tomorrow, and I'm gonna be 2. I deserve French fries.
Crispy crunchy.
Alright guys, we got our beer battered fish. Looks delicious, and like we have way too much food.
Yeah.
It's just our normal.
Like that. Do a little more on top because why not? And that's that. Just need some French fries. We hope y'all enjoyed this video, and
Appreciate y'all watching.
we hope you stay
Leave a
around
comment,
and
like, and
view
you
the
know.
next one.
hopefully our editing will get improve and get better, and we can be better about
I think it's perfect.
putting intros.
Listen, we're simple people. We're just doing what we love. We're having a good time, and we're sharing it with you guys. So, like and subscribe, tell your friends, and come back and see us.
Thank y'all.
Bye.